Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2018 Commerce Past Question. Question number 46 says, one of the aims of the European Union is to dash, that is European Union. Remember that in Africa we have what we call AU, which is African Union. African Union. African Union. So in Europe, what is the target of this institution or organization? Option A says ease trade among member countries. Option B says enhance better trade with Africa. No, it cannot. Enhance free trade with America. No, we are talking of the European Union, not only with America. They offer financial assistance to poor countries. As all know, European Union is all European countries expect to be rich economically wise. The option A is the correct option, which is trade among member countries. That is the aim, that is the target. And European Union was established on 1st November 1993. That was when European Union was established by 27 countries in Europe. 27 countries established the articles that form this European Union. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.